Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. So, as part of solving the SQL questions, this is our next question to solve. So, let straight away dive into the question. Okay, let's say that we work for a B2B SaaS company that has been around for 3 years. Okay, our company is a SaaS company, B2B SaaS company, and it's been around for 3 years. Okay, the company has two revenues line products, that is product line. So there is a column called product line. In that there are two unique or two distinct values or the categories, precisely to speak categories. Okay, one is like service and the other is like software. So service is a hourly based um, that is being done by the company. I mean, like, it's a consulting type model where clients are served on hourly rate for of a one-off project. The second revenue line is software, where clients can purchase on an outgoing subscription basis. So there are two services. One is like service, and the other is like software. Service is like consulting, and the other is like software. They have a software, and clients need to subscribe for this software. Okay. Given a table of payments data where a query to calculate the average revenue per client. So here we are being asked to calculate the revenue for each client. Okay, and it is even mentioned like in note stating that round the result to two decimals. So they are asking us to find the average and upon top of it round it to only two decimals. I mean, they mean like only two numbers are allowed after the decimals. They are expecting the output. Okay, so I mean, this is very commonly asked like rounding, where you can use casting or you can say like round. So in this case, we'll be using round. I'll even write a query. So uh, speaking precisely about the columns, so this is input and the other is output. Okay, give me a second. I will use annotation. This is input and this is output. So in output, they want only one column, that is average lifetime revenue. Okay. Mm, Let me take the Word document and start writing the query. Actually, I've written the query earlier, so but even I'll write again. Okay. So we need to write select ask of. Okay. Ask of sum of. Being given these columns: ID, user ID, created at, amount per unit, quantity, product type. So if you look into this, first one is ID. This is like payment ID. This is payments table. This is payment ID, user ID. Every user will have some ID. Okay. Created it. It's mean like date and time. So on particular 24th November at 10:52. So something like that. Okay. Amount per unit. So what is the amount per each unit? So if at all he's buying AirPods, if this AirPods cost is $200, if he's buying two AirPods, then definitely it's gonna be $400. So this will be like amount per unit is 200 and quantity is like two. Okay. So cleverly is asking us revenue. Revenue is a multiplication of the amount per unit and quantity. So let me do this quantity per unit. So, amount per unit into quantity from payment. Okay. This is like numerator where you're multiplying amount into quantity, then it becomes revenue. This totally becomes revenue. And you're summing all the revenues. Okay. As he's asking us the average is like sum of the quantity, sum of x by number of x. Okay. So to do this, we have to give this slash, and again, here we want count of distinct user IDs. Okay. So for that, select count of distinct user ID from payment table. Okay. So this is the numerator. I'll keep it in green. And this is the denominator. Okay, and later on, I need to say cast, right? So let me separate it by braces. It will you'll get the proper idea. Cast as decimal 10 comma 2 as he's expecting some new name. What is that? Average lifetime revenue. Average lifetime revenue. Okay, this is all the query. Let me check how far I've written it correctly. Select cast off. Instead of cast off as decimal 10 comma 2, you can even say round off. Okay, stop. You can select also. You can select also. Select. You're using two selects, one in the numerator and the other in the denominator, and on top of it, you are using casting. Okay, the query looks good. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye.